7 to 8 April. Punjab. This wasn't just rain. This was destruction. Fields that were golden just hours before turned into flattened, soaked, ruined land. Farmers stood there, watching. Not just crops, but months of hard work collapse in front of their eyes. And the question started spreading everywhere. Was this just nature? Or was something else behind it? Because what happened didn't feel normal. In just a few days, Punjab saw rainfall levels far above normal. Heavy rain, strong winds, even hailstorms hit multiple districts at once. And the timing? The worst possible. This was harvesting season. Wheat crops were ready, fully grown, waiting to be cut. But instead of harvest, came destruction. Over lakhs of acres were affected. In some areas, farmers reported up to 70 to 80% crop damage. Imagine working for months, investing money, time, effort, and then losing everything in a single night. Grains got wet, quality dropped, market value crashed. For many farmers, this wasn't just a loss, it was a crisis. But here's where things get interesting. Because as videos of damaged fields started going viral, another theory began to spread online. A theory that made people question everything. Cloud seeding. Some people claimed this rain wasn't fully natural, that it was triggered, controlled, or influenced. Now wait, before jumping to conclusions, let's understand what cloud seeding actually is. Cloud seeding is a real scientific process. In simple words, it's a way to make clouds produce more rain. Scientists use chemicals like silver iodide or salt particles released into clouds using planes or rockets. These particles help water droplets come together and fall as rain. It's been used in different parts of the world, especially in areas facing drought. Countries have used it to increase rainfall, fill reservoirs, and even reduce hail damage. So yes, the technology exists. But here's the important question. Was cloud seeding used in Punjab? And the answer is, there's no official evidence, no confirmed reports, no government statement, no scientific data suggesting that cloud seeding caused this rainfall. So what actually caused it? Experts point to something called Western disturbances. These are powerful weather systems that originate near the Mediterranean region and travel towards North India. When they hit, they bring sudden rain, storms, and sometimes hail. And during early April, multiple Western disturbances hit back to back. That's what created this intense weather. Not one storm, but a series of systems hitting continuously. And when that happens during harvest season, the damage multiplies. So scientifically, this looks like a natural event. But here's the deeper truth. Even if this rain was natural, events like this are becoming more frequent. Unpredictable weather, sudden storms, unexpected rainfall, all of this is increasing. And many experts link it to a bigger issue, climate change. Because when global temperatures rise, weather patterns become unstable. Rainfall becomes irregular. Storms become stronger. Timing becomes unpredictable. And the people who suffer the most? Farmers. The ones who depend entirely on nature. One wrong rain, one unexpected storm, and everything changes. That's exactly what happened in Punjab. And this is why the situation feels so serious. Because it's not just about one storm. It's about what this storm represents. A future where weather is harder to predict and risks are higher than ever before. So was this cloud seeding? No evidence says so. Was this natural? Yes. But was it normal? That's the real question. Because when normal starts causing this much damage, maybe something bigger is changing. And maybe this is just the beginning. Today it's Punjab. Tomorrow it could be anywhere. This isn't just a story, it's a warning. Comment rain if you think this is climate change, or truth if you believe there's more behind it. Like, follow, and subscribe, because what we uncover next, you won't expect.